Hi everybody, welcome to Pleasures of Life with Sally and Ala. So let me make a small introduction about this idea. I'm a mixologist and wherever I go, my kit comes with me. So before I come to join Sally and Ala, like everybody, I thought that sailing will be cocktails and sailing. Enthusiastic, right? No, it's not at all. Okay, I learned what is tough, hard sailing is, but somehow my cocktails had to stay. So it's harder to keep them. So it's very good, it's very pleasant and relaxing to have a good cocktail or mocktail in the end of the day. So that's why I come here today to share with you my recipes, classic recipes, twist of this classic recipe. I'm gonna teach you how to make it at home in a very easy way and with very accessible ingredients so you can enjoy your own cocktails also. And I will invite you to be creative also on your own. So just stay with me. Let's go to the job. For the material to make the cocktails, I know that not everyone has a shaker at home. So if you have something just like this, something to transport your coffee when you go outside, you can simply use it and shake with it. Just make sure that it's glued very well, otherwise you're gonna have all the cocktail, the liquid on your face. We don't want that. Okay? Otherwise, if you want also, you can check on the site and we'll show you in the links where you can find material. Okay, you're gonna need a bar spoon. Okay, if you want, you can use the coffee spoon. Works perfectly. It's around 15 ml. The liquid it can take. Okay, you're gonna need a double strainer, right? Easy to have at home, and that's it. All right. You have here the strainer also, but this, if you have the shaker, the replacement of the shaker, you don't really need it. Otherwise, you can just buy it. Easy to work with. Okay, so let's start. Okay, a measure. I forgot. You really need a measure to measure your ingredients, and this one is a 50 ml, 25. If you have something, a small container to replace it, does work as well. Okay, so let's start with making the cocktail first and after the mocktail.
It is possible to replace it with a shot glass?
Exactly, you can replace it with shot glass. Good. First I'm gonna start for my simple ingredient. It's gonna be 15 ml of lime. Actually, I'm gonna make it all. 15 ml of lime juice. The pepper, just 1, 2, 3, 4 turns and we'll be fine. Try always to have your bar organized. Okay? The honey, I'm gonna have here a full spoon. This is around 15 ml also. Alright. The egg, okay? There is some work here with the egg. So we're gonna break our egg. I'm gonna use my simple thing. We break it. And we're gonna use only the clear part, alright? We don't want the yellow, the sunny part. So we're just gonna use the clear part, the white, and that's it. The rest you can cook it if you don't want to waste it. I'll do it later, or just throw it away. Up to you. Okay, and we're gonna use 60 ml of this local rum.
I'm moving the...
So we have 50 here. And we have 10 here. Alright? So once you finish adding all your ingredients, you're gonna slightly mix it to dilute the honey, because you know that once you add the ice in it, it's gonna what? Freeze. And we don't want it, because it freezes, it's not gonna add on the ingredients, not gonna. So this is how everything will look. Alright? So I have everything here mixed, and I want now to get my ice. Okay, I have my ice here. So now I'm gonna add my mix in it and I'm gonna shake hard. So by now it's cold enough, and I'm gonna strain it. And again, I'm gonna dry mix because I want the foam that's gonna come from the egg. Okay? We need to shake hard at least for 30 seconds. At least. The more you do it, the more foam you will have in your cocktail. So now, because it's two of us, I'm gonna put it in 2 glasses. And here we go. So now for garnish, we're just gonna give small touch of the pepper we used on the top of the foam just to make it look pretty, because the ice also counts. Okay, just 1 turn and it's good. Because visual also counts. I want to add some honey in it, just to make a small draw. I'm gonna use just a stick, okay, to give me thin lines of honey. And I want to just put it here, small drops on the side, and a nice drop. Okay. Now for the mocktail, we're gonna need an extra utensil. Okay, that's gonna be a muddler. Okay, this is just, it's gonna be to crush our ingredient to release some flavor in it of the ingredients. Okay. So this mocktail now we're gonna use orange juice that I have mine already squeezed, alright? And the orange I use is the local orange, Caribbean, to look like lime, a big lime or a lemon, green lemon, but it's orange, it's green peel, okay? We're gonna need cucumber, the peel and cucumber itself, alright? And we're gonna need some ginger, okay? A few wheels of ginger, 4 or 5 maximum, and honey also. Alright, so let's start. Make sure that I don't have any water in my shaker, and I'm gonna start by the ginger. I'm gonna add it. Okay. The cucumber. I'm gonna now peel out the peel because I'm gonna use it for the garnish, and we'll reach that part. I'll show you how to use it. Right, but for now, just peel it out like this and try to make it thick. Okay? Let's do 2 peels and we'll see what we do with it. Okay? And leave it on the side. And now I'm gonna cut my cucumber on very thin wheels. Alright, put it here. So 4 wheels, it's just enough. Okay, I'm gonna add my orange juice, just a tiny bit first, and I'm gonna muddle. Okay, now I have everything muddled. I'm gonna add the rest of the orange juice. Okay. The honey. Again, 1 spoon only. Just give it some sweetness. You can check also, because sometimes the orange is so sweet that doesn't need any more sweetness. So you can try the orange juice before you use it, and make sure if you want more sweet or less, or not, or the same as orange kinds. Okay. And now I just remember something that came out in my mind, and I think it's gonna give it a very nice touch. This happens when I'm making cocktails. Salt. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt in my cocktail, because salt enhances the taste and it's gonna give it a very nice touch. So just a tiny bit, and that's all. Alright, so let's again mix it slightly to dissolve the honey, as we told before, and this is how it will look. Okay. I added my ice, and I'm gonna shake for just 5 seconds just to make it cold. Otherwise, the ice gonna melt too much, and it's gonna be too watery. So this is enough, and we're gonna bring my glass over with ice. Also, just strain it, make sure that there's not too much water in it. And I'm gonna pour my mix. So now for the garnish, we're gonna cut the peel we peeled before from the cucumber, and you just cut here on the sides, and you do the same thing on the other side. Make sure it's not too thin, and we're gonna cut like this diagonally, and the same way on the other edge. Okay, have it like this, and we're gonna apply one cut here in the middle. Okay, there we go. We have our cut here. Now we're gonna twist it like this. Okay, make sure it makes this effect. All right, and we're gonna put it on the rim of the glass like that. Okay. For the second peel, we're gonna fold it like this, pierce it, okay, and pierce the other side also. And we do the same, we fold it again to the other side, and we pierce it again, making this effect. Okay, it's look pretty. Let's do it again. Okay, so now we're gonna apply it here in between to give the garnish complexity.
Do as well.
If you like this one, let me know with a comment down below. If you tried at home, let us know how it went. And if you have any more questions, just post them and I'll be answering to you. And the last but not the least, don't forget to subscribe.